What's wrong with you?
Nathan, what are you doing?
Making poop out of hot dogs. Poo Dogs. We're making Poo Dogs. We have taken what could be your average expired rotten hot dog, and we have melted chocolate chips, and now I am covering the hot dogs with chocolate. We're gonna stick them in the freezer.
I think you've missed a spot.
So I have. We're gonna stick them in the freezer, freeze them, then we're gonna go to someone's house, ask to use their bathroom, and then just leave them inside the pot. And I think we're gonna leave one in the elevator with some toilet paper with some chocolate on it too.
Yeah, that sounds like a good one. And we owe this brilliant idea to whom?
To me.
Well, no. Jesse.
Yes, it was my idea. I'm a prankster. I think I'll freeze for a while.
There we go. The poop goes in the freezer.
Freeze there.
What do we got there, Nate?
Oh,
Crap my pants earlier, this is what's left over.
What is it?
Poo Dog.
Poo Dog? What are we gonna do with that?
I'll show you.